Hello everyone, welcome to our channel RAR Max Academy. I'm Swapna. As already we have discussed the introduction of algebraic expression in one of the video, and in this video we are going to see few operations on algebraic expressions. Generally the mathematical operations already we know, like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the same way we are going to perform the same operations on algebraic expressions. So firstly we are going to start with the operation of addition. Okay, so let us start. How to add algebraic expressions? Let us understand through a problem. Add the following equations: 8x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 7 minus 9x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 5x square minus x plus 3. So firstly we need to write down the equations which are given in the question. Those are these two equations. So if you observe in this equation, we are having 5 terms in each equation. So those terms are x power 4 term, x power 3 term, x power 2 term, x term and constant. These are common in both the equations. Firstly, we need to arrange the like terms together, and we need to go with the write down with the operation of plus in between the terms. So let us start. 8x power 4 here. In this equation here minus 9x power 4. Here both we are going to write down. Okay, and then 2x power 3. Where it is here. 2x power 3 and 2x power 3 together we are going to write down. Next x power 2, 4x square, and in this 5x square. Next x term, x minus x. Then 7 plus 3 are constant terms. So here I have underlined the like the terms to understand easily. These two are one term. That is 8 minus 9. Here constants are not constants, coefficient we should call. 8 minus 9 x power 4, and here 2 plus 2. Here 4 plus 5. Here 1 minus 1 and 7 plus 3. 8 minus 9 is equals to minus 1 x power 4. 2 plus 2 4x cube, and 4 plus 5 9x square. 1 minus 1 0, 0 into x is 0, and 7 plus 3 10. So the total equation is x power minus x power 4 plus 4x cube plus 9x square plus 10. This method of addition of algebraic equations is horizontal method. Okay, now we are going to see the simplest way is vertical method. So we need to write down that both the equations one below the another. Okay, so like the term we need to write exactly to the bottom. Okay, 8x power 4, under that x power 4 term should be written. If any term is missing, then we are going to put plus 0 in that case of term. Okay, x power 4 term, x power 3, x power 2 term, x term and constant. In the same way we are going to write the second equation also. Here we are performing addition. General addition how we will do, in the same way we are going to do the addition. 7 plus 3 10. 1 minus 1 0, 0 into x term. 4 plus 5 9, which term it is? X square term. And then 2 plus 2 4, which term it is? X power 3 term. Next 8 minus 9, that is minus 1 x power 4 term. This is the vertical method of addition. Now let us see the subtraction, how we can perform subtraction on algebraic expressions. Okay, here is the question given. Two equations are given. So let us write down one equation under the another one. So x power 4 term, x power 3 term, x power 2 term, x term and the constant. Here I have taken both the equations which we have discussed before. So for the same equations we are performing the subtraction operation here. Okay, this is vertical method. Okay, in vertical method we need to change the sign of the second equation. How? Here plus 3 is there, we need to change the equation, plus into minus, minus, so we need to write down minus. Simply we need to write down in the place of plus minus, in the place of minus plus we need to write down for the whole the equation of second equation. Okay, so we need to neglect the before operation. Okay, whatever the symbol it has before, we need to leave it and we need to consider the changed operation. So 7 minus 3, 4, x plus x, 1x 1x 2x, plus 4 minus 5, so minus 1 x square, 2 minus 2 0 x cube, 8 plus 9 that is 17x power 4. This is vertical method. Okay, now let us see the horizontal method. First we need to write down the first equation, put the braces for that and put the operation minus, and then we need to write down the second equation in the braces. If it is addition, then we can write down directly the second equation. Okay, but if it is minus operation, we need to put the minus and then we need to go with the changing of the symbols. 8x power 4 plus 9x power 4. How? Where it is? Here, minus into minus plus, plus 9x power 4. In the same step I have written the like terms together. Okay, 2x power 3. Here minus into plus minus, 2x power 3 together. Okay, plus 4x square. Here 5x square is there, minus into plus minus, 4x square minus 5x square, and x term. Here x is here, here minus x, minus into minus plus x. Okay, here constant, plus 7, here plus 3 is there, minus into plus minus, 7 minus 3. So here underlined are showing the like terms. Okay, 8 plus 9, 17 x power 4, 2 minus 2 0 x power 3, 4 minus 5 minus 1 x square, and x plus x is 2x, 7 minus 3 is 4. This is how we can subtract algebraic expressions. So as of now you have understood the addition and subtraction of AE. So let us see the another question. Subtract 5x square minus 3xy minus plus y square minus 6 from the sum of 3x square minus 8xy plus 7 and minus 5x square plus 7xy minus 3y square minus 4. So he is asking to subtract this equation from the sum of these two. So what we have understood, first we need to add these two equations and then we need to subtract this equation. So let us write down the sum of these two equations. Okay, so sum means we need to perform addition operation here. So 3x square minus 8xy plus 0. Why here y square term is there, in this equation it is not there, so that's why I kept 0 in the place of y square term, and then plus 7. Okay, next write on the second equation, minus 5x square plus 7xy minus 3y square minus 4. Addition we need to perform. So addition we are not going to change any plus or minus symbols. 7 minus 4 3, minus 3 y square, minus 8 plus 7 minus xy, 3 minus 5 2x square. This is the sum of these two equations. So, and from this equation we are going to subtract this equation. So now subtract 5x square minus 3xy plus y square minus 6. So let us do that. First write down the sum of the two equations here, and I have written the subtraction equation below to that. So as it is subtraction, we need to change the signs. Okay, minus 6 become plus, plus becomes minus here. Okay, plus 3 plus 6 9, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4. Okay, minus 1 plus 3, 3 minus 1 2, minus 2 minus 5 minus 7. So the equation is minus 7x square plus 2xy minus 4y square plus 9. And to solve these questions, first we need to understand the question and then you need to go with the step-by-step process. Okay. Here is another question which is looks like a complicated, but it is not. So let us understand the concept first. The question is, how much is 3a square minus 2b square plus 7ab is greater than 2a square plus 7b square minus 9ab. First let us understand the question. So this equation is how much it is greater than this equation. Greater means, to understand greater, how much it is greater, we need to go with the subtraction operation. Okay, so if we do subtraction, the value whichever it comes, we can understand that much value is greater than this equation. Okay, what are the equations given? These two. Okay, first write down the equations. 3a square minus 2b square plus 7ab, 2a square plus 7b square minus 9ab. So we need to perform the operation subtract as to know how much it is greater than one equation than another. Okay, so we are going to perform subtraction from this equation to this, because than he said. Okay, so 2a square plus 7b square minus 9ab, and then 3a square minus 2b square plus 7ab. So as it is subtract, change the symbols. Minus 9 minus 7 minus 16ab plus 2 plus 7, 9b square, 2 minus 3 minus 1 a square. So this much of equation is greater than this equation. Okay, if it is less than, if question is asked like how much is 3a square minus 2b square plus 7ab is less than, then we need to go with the perform of addition operation. Okay, let us see how we can do this. If it is less than, then we need to perform addition operation. Let's try that one. So 2a square plus 7b square minus 9ab, 3a square minus 2b square plus 7ab. So 9 minus 9 plus 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, in this way we need to understand and solve the question. Okay, so here is another question, that is, if a is equals to 3x square minus 2y square plus 4xy, b is equals to minus 7x square plus 4y square minus 3xy, c equals to minus 11x square plus 8y square plus 9xy, d is equals to 7x square minus 6y square plus minus 8xy, then show that a plus b is equals to c plus d. What he has given in the question is 4 equations named as a, b, c, d, and we are going to show that a plus b is equals to c plus d. So what we need to do here is both addition operations we are going to perform in this problem. First write down the equations a, b, c, d given data. Okay, now we are going to perform the addition of a plus b. First write down the equation a, 3x square minus 2y square plus 4xy. Under that write down b equation, minus 7x square plus 4y square minus 3xy. Okay, addition. So 4 minus 3, 1xy, minus 2 plus 4, that is 2, means 4 minus 2 is 2 y square, 3 minus 7 minus 4 x square. This is a plus b equation. Addition of a and b equation is this one. Now we need to do c plus d. C equation is minus 11x square plus 8y square plus 9xy. Under that write down the d equation, that is 7x square minus 6y square minus 8xy. Perform addition. 9 minus 8, 1xy. 8 minus 6, 2y square minus 11 plus 7. So 11 minus 7 is 4 minus 4 x square. This is c plus d equation. So once check both the equations came correct or not. 4x minus 4x square plus 2y square plus xy. means both are same. So now we can write down as a plus b equal to c plus d is equals to minus 4x square plus 2y square plus xy. Hope you all understood the performing of addition and subtraction operations on algebraic equations. So just like practice session, try these following two questions. From the sum of minus 7m square plus 2n square minus 5mn plus 3 and 3m square minus 6n square plus 2mn minus 9. Subtract 8m square minus n square plus 3mn plus minus 11. Okay, next one is how much is 8x square minus 3xy plus 7y square is less than minus 3x square plus 2xy minus 8y square. So just practice these two questions to have a clarity. Okay, for any queries, comment down. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and comment. But don't forget to subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notified.